Okay, guys, for this lesson, I want to talk about the words that are spelled with E-A-R and the different sounds that E-A-R can make. E-A-R can make a lot of different sounds. So look at the board over here. The first sentence says, Earth is a planet. Listen to the E-A-R, Earth. E-A-R says Now look at the next sentence. My art beats harder after I run. My heart. Art. Here EAR is saying here it's saying R. Number 3 says the polar bear, air, it's saying air, lives in the Arctic. So here we have earth, art, and air. And EAR still makes another sound. The last sentence says you hear with your ear. Here's EAR in ear and EAR in here, and it's saying the E sound, ear, ear. You hear the long E sound. So EAR, words spelled with EAR can make 4 different sounds. And when you see EAR in a word in a book, you have to try the different sounds and decide what word sounds right and what word makes sense with what is happening in the story. Okay? Now I have another, I'm going to write another sentence here on the back because sometimes the exact same spelling of a word can have 2 different sounds and even 2 different meanings. So if I write this sentence, and here's the EAR word, now let's try the different sounds. When I saw her, my picture in half? No, that doesn't make sense. When I saw her like earth, my picture in half? No. When I saw her tear, my picture in half? No, that doesn't make sense. How about like bear? When I saw her tear my picture in half. Yes, tear my picture in half. That makes sense. When I saw her tear my picture in half, a tar rolled down my cheek? No. A tur rolled down my cheek? No. A tear rolled down my cheek? No. How about the long E sound like here? A tear rolled down my cheek. Yes, that makes sense. Now let's read the whole thing together. When I saw her tear my picture in half, a tear rolled down my cheek. Do you see how you have to try the word different ways and you think about which sound of EAR makes sense in the story, which one fits, okay? Now don't forget to be on the lookout for EAR words in your books and try the sound different ways. I'll see you next time. Bye.